Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to explain you the difference between personal pronouns ти and ви in Ukrainian language. Also, I would like to teach you how to switch from ви into ти. So, поїхали! Let's get it started. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian if you want to see more videos, and please give me likes. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the personal pronoun ти is translated into English as you. Ти is singular and ти is informal way how to address to people. Ви is also translated in English as you. Ви is plural form and ви is formal way how to address to people. Ти informal, ви formal. So, ти is used when we address to our close friends, to members of our family, to people who are younger than we are. And ви is used to address to elder people, to colleague, to strangers, to teachers, etc. So let me give you some examples. For example, ти виглядаєш сьогодні дуже гарно. Ти виглядаєш сьогодні дуже гарно. You look very beautiful today. This is informal compliment. Ви виглядаєте сьогодні дуже гарно. Ви виглядаєте сьогодні дуже гарно. You look very beautiful today. This is a formal compliment, for example, to your boss, for example. And how to switch from ви into ти. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is also a very difficult issue for Ukrainians. So, if you don't know a person very well, so you have to start using ви in your conversation, to use this kind of addressing and the appropriate grammar construction also. So that's why you need to learn grammar very well if you want to sound very good in Ukrainian and to be polite. So I highly recommend you to start any kind of conversation in Ukraine using the formal address ви. And then you can ask a question. Ми можемо перейти на ти. Ми можемо перейти на ти. Can we switch into ти? Can we switch to ти? Так, for example. So when you feel that your conversation becomes more informal, you feel more free with the speaker, so you can ask this question, and I'm sure that this person will reply, Так, звичайно. Yes, of course. So, I hope this video lesson was very useful for you. Please subscribe also to my Instagram, Speak Ukrainian Language, because there I publish every day video lessons and stories. And also I usually give two forms, one informal and another one formal. So, and please support my YouTube channel, Speak Ukrainian, on Patreon, or just donate any sum of money on my account. So, побачимось скоро. See you soon. Па-па!